nature difficult to keep at home? Yes, but here at Domestic Biomes, that's exactly what we do. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, my name is Ed and I'm a plant and reptile keeper. My goal is to create thriving setups for plants and reptiles at home. Follow along on my journey and join our community to help each other build better homes, better situations for our plants and reptiles. Here's the rapid fire for the types of plants I keep at home. Here's a rapid fire for the type of reptiles I keep at home. Now I'm fairly new to the plant and reptile keeping ways, and I've been doing a lot of research to, find my own path. I plan on uploading every Tuesday for the rest of this year. The type of content I'll be uploading is a little bit of care guides, a little bit of events I go to, top 5s, top 7, top 3s. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on Tuesday for the next upload. Also, let me know if there's anything else I can help you. I'm fairly new to the game, so let me know if there's what kind of reptiles or plants you keep at home so I can better cater the videos to make sure the community is being helped as much as possible.